tell us why
you had to hide away for so long. So
where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, tell us why
you had to hide away for so long. So
where did we go wrong? Hey, you with a pretty face, welcome to the human race. A celebration, Mr. Blue Sky's up there waiting, and today is the day we're waiting for. Oh, Mr. Blue Sky, tell us why,
you had to hide away for so long. So
where did we go wrong? Hey there, Mr. Blue, we're so pleased to be with you. Look around, see what